Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to download or save images from Behance. First, log into your account. Once in, select on the project that contains the image that you want to download. Now for here, right-click on it, then choose Inspect. Now, on the top left, click on this arrow button and then select the image that you want to download. Now from the code, double-click on this A class, and as you can see, you can now see your image source. So just go and double-click on that URL, right-click, and select Copy. Now, on another window, go ahead and paste in the link that you just copied. Then, from this, make sure that this underscore webph is erased. You just go ahead and delete that. Once done, press enter on your keyboard. Now, you will be able to access the image. To download it, simply right-click, then select Save Image As. Now, as you can see, you can now download it as JPG. So just go and save it. Now, you can click on it and you will see that it is now downloaded on your device. And that's just basically it. You can also do that to other images of that project. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.